Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, 2210 Whitaker Road, 1 block south of I-40, 806-654-7640. That's my cell phone. I'm Doug Phillips, the world's oldest truck salesman, and this is a 2019 International LT, stock number S566463. Truck's only got 329,000 miles on it. Eaton automated transmission. That red motor is a Cummins X15. It's set at 400 horsepower, but here's the kicker, 1750 torque. Most everything you see today is either 1550 or 1650. This one's 1750. We've done a 3-axle alignment on it, got great steer tires and brand new Virgin drive tires on it. Sliding fifth wheel, detailed out, DOT, it's been serviced. Everything that needed to be done to it that we could find has been done to it. This LT's got 329,392 miles on it right now, today, September the 1st, 2021. Nice interior, good layout, all the cabinets, double bunk, new mattresses, of course. We always put new mattresses in them for you. Couple of air ride seats. This truck will finance well. It's got a lot of factory warranty left on it till 2022, June, I believe, 26th of 2022, or 500,000 miles, whichever comes first. And that's all international factory warranty. Doug Phillips, world's oldest truck salesman, Amarillo, Texas, 806-654-7640. I'll meet you at 3 o'clock in the morning if I know you're coming. Thanks for watching.